What if every surgery scheduled for today automatically triggered a personalized pre-operative checklist email without a single manual step? Hello, I'm Rahul Joshi. In this video, I'll show you a daily automated system that reviews upcoming surgeries and sends AI-generated pre-op checklist emails automatically every morning at 9 a.m. Step 1. Daily 9 a.m. schedule trigger. This trigger runs the workflow every day at 9 a.m. It ensures all upcoming surgeries are reviewed automatically each morning. No manual execution is required. Step 2. Fetch today's events from Google Calendar. This node retrieves all events from the connected Google Calendar. It scans the day's schedule to identify relevant medical appointments. This acts as the primary data source for surgery reminders. Step 3. Extract surgery events and patient details. This code node filters only events containing the keyword surgery. It cleans HTML descriptions and extracts structured fields like patient name, email, phone, patient ID, procedure, surgery time. This converts raw calendar data into structured patient records. Step 4. Generate unique confirmation link. This node creates a secure, unique confirmation URL for each patient. It attaches a unique ID with timestamp tracking. The link allows patients to confirm checklist completion. Step 5. Clean and normalize patient fields. This node cleans any passing artifacts from extracted fields. It ensures patient name, email, phone, and ID are properly formatted. This guarantees accurate data before AI email generation. Step 6. Generate AI pre-op checklist email. This AI agent creates a professional pre-surgery reminder email. The email includes subject, pre-surgery checklist, action required, personalized greeting, surgery time and procedure, pre-op checklist reminders, green confirmation button linked to confirm URL, footer note about 4-hour follow-up. The output is structured as valid JSON with subject and HTML body. Step 7. Azure OpenAI Model Execution, GPT-4o. This step powers the AI email generation using GPT-4o via Azure OpenAI. It ensures calm, patient-friendly tone and properly formatted HTML. Strict output formatting guarantees structured JSON. Step 8. Parse structured AI output, subject plus body. This node validates and parses the AI response into subject, HTML, body. It ensures the output strictly matches the required JSON schema before sending. Step 9. Send pre-op checklist reminder via Gmail. This node sends the final personalized email to the patient. It includes the AI-generated subject and HTML body. The patient receives a checklist reminder with a confirmation button. This is how structured healthcare automation improves patient readiness and operational reliability. If you value precise, execution-ready systems, subscribe. I'll see you in the next build.